Hello friends, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to build a simple clock with a 7-segment display. In this video I am also sharing some ideas about 7-segment displays. So let's get started. First thing first, we need 4 7-segment displays. As name indicates, it has 7 segments. That is 7 individual LEDs connected in a specific order with a common anode or common cathode. A normal 7-segment has 10 pins. 2 middle pins are common pins and others are for each segment. 1 pin is allotted for the dot LED. Next we need a microcontroller. In this case I am using Arduino Uno. To save time we need a RTC module and also we need some dot boards and 3 push buttons. As I said earlier, a 7-segment display has total of 10 pins, 2 for common ground or common anode and 1 for dot LED. We are not using the dot LED, so that we need 8 Arduino pins to control one 7-segment display. There is no problem, our Arduino has more than 8 pins, but the problem is we have 4 7-segment displays. The total is 4 into 8 equal to 32. We need 32 pin to control 4 displays, but our Arduino doesn't have 32 pins. So how to fix that? Yes, there is a solution called multiplexing. In multiplexing we are connecting all segments together, that is segment of A of 4 displays together and segment B together and so on. We are turning on and off the common pins. That's the key. I connect 4 displays together. Now we have 7 common segment pins and 4 individual common anode pins. So now we can control 4 displays with 11 pins instead of 32. You can check circuit diagram, link is in the description. I soldered 4 7-segment displays on a common dot board, and for testing I connected that 7-segment displays to Arduino. I connected 3 push buttons to pin A0, A1 and A2. Finally I connected the RTC module. RTC module works based on the I2C communication, so I connected STA to A4 and SCL to A5 and 5V to 5V and ground to ground. After uploading the code you can see it's working. You can download the code and circuit from my blog, link is in the description. Then I added 2 LEDs in the middle and also I replaced the Arduino Uno with my homemade Arduino board to save some space. To power this clock I am using 18615 3.7V lithium ion battery, and to charge this I connect TP4056 charging module. All parts link is in the description. Then I connected battery to clock circuit and it's worked perfectly. So to use this clock we need a proper enclosure. For that I removed the battery. Using 3mm foam sheet I made a enclosure. You can 3D print the case instead of using foam sheet. After that I inserted every component in the foam sheet box and I placed push button on the top of the clock. Finally I soldered the battery and that's it. So now the question is how to set up the time. First press and hold the right push button. Now you can see the clock is resetted to 0. Then push the middle button to adjust minute and the left button to adjust hour. That's it, very easy. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed and learned something from my video. If so, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.